Story of Balance Sheet, third edition. This is the book written by Jayaprakash Indora. This book is meant for government departments, all companies, firms, LLPs, and students. The book is blend of fiction and non-fiction to make understand what is balance sheet and how it is prepared. The book is the book is in the form of story which revolves around a temple. The story has been explained through the dialogues of two friends, namely Sohan and Mohan, along with other characters. The golden rules of accounting have been explained through the dialogues of two friends. Mohan learns the accounting through practical activities and prepares and analyzes the balance sheet. The book contains photos of satsang, photos of Dan Patar, pictures of buildings, picture of cash flow, etc. to explain schedules of income and expenditure, assets and liabilities, etc. Three Dan Patar are symbols of the cash flow of money during the year and give the learning to prepare receipt and payment account. Finally, income and expenditure statement and the balance sheet is prepared and analyzed. The language of the book is very simple. The author of the book is Controller of Finance and Accounts in CSIR Siri, Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, Pilani, Rajasthan, India, which is a constituent laboratory of CSIR, Government of India. He is qualified as MA English, B.Ed, PG DMM and LLB, Delhi University. He has experience of preparing and analyzing the balance sheet for more than 32 years. He has written the book on his personal experience and knowledge of accounting. This book has been published by Notion Press Media Private Limited, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. This book is full of stories to explain the golden rules of accounting, to prepare the income and expenditure statement, and finally the balance sheet. The transactions has been explained through pictures, charts, etc. The book is full of stories, pictures, and charts. This picture is the picture in which it is shown that receipt of money pertaining to different financial years is taken through different windows. The people are standing in queues. This picture is about three Dan Patar. Dan Patar 1, Dan Patar 2 and Dan Patar 3. Dan Patar 1 is for grant and tickets money. Dan Patar 2 is for ticket money and Mundan ceremony money. Dan Patar 3 is for external money. This picture is about the receipt in Dan Patar, in which money is entered through the taps fitted in upper portion of Dan Patar, and the taps are the symbols of receipts in Dan Patar. This picture is about expenditures and the same is dispersed through the tabs fitted in lower portion of Dan Patar, which are symbols of payments. This picture of buildings is the symbol of schedules of income and expenditure pertaining to different natures of income and expenditure. Block A is meant for revenue account pertaining to income and expenditure. Block B is capital account pertaining to assets and liabilities. This picture is cash flow chart during the year, which depicts receipts and payments throughout the year. Throughout the year, the money is received in 3 Dan Patar and the money is dispersed through various buildings, which are symbols of various expenditures. The nature of expenditures may be different. Schedule 14, 13, 12 are the schedules of expenditures which forms the part of income and expenditure. Some vernacular Hindi transactions have been mentioned in the book for better understanding of the book. Through this table, double entry bookkeeping system has been explained. Diesel account has debit entry, whereas cash account has credit entry. Hence, double entry bookkeeping system. This is the picture of satsang which is going on in temple. Famous Babaji is giving Ashirwad to Sardalus for their well-being and betterment of life to come. This book is full of stories through which transactions have been explained to prepare and analyze the balance sheet. Hence, read the stories and prepare and analyze the balance sheet. Read the story, learn the golden rules of accounting and prepare the balance sheet and analyze it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Story of balance sheet by J.P. Indora.